Hey guys, do you want to know the exact model that you would use for your own course sales page? If so, then you're in the right place. If not, then you're in the right place. All right, so let's jump into what that would look like if you were trying to build your sales page. So the first thing that you want to do is have a headline. You want to have a strong headline. You want to catch their attention. You want to make sure that you're drawing in interest by either asking a question or making a very strong statement. So you want to encourage them to keep reading somehow with your headline. So one headline could be transform your life with this course, your course name, and then the guide to course topic. Now, another one could be discover the secrets of course topic with course name, and then your path to success starts here. Another one could be unlock your potential with course name, the comprehensive guide to course topic. Okay, so those are just headlines that could attract your target audience if they land on it. And you want to have a strong headline. So that's the first thing, that's your first section on your sales page. Next, you want to introduce your course and why it's valuable. You want to let your target audience know why it's valuable to them, specifically your ideal customer, okay, your avatar. Okay, so you're going to introduce your course, and in this section, you're also going to pretty much do a brief overview of your course, and that includes making sure that you add, what it covers and who it's for. So that's really important. And of course, you want to add a call to action. So you want to add that button or that link that encourages them to, join your course or, join your service or product or whatever. You want to have that call to action, somewhere on there in multiple places. The next section should be testimonials or reviews or something so that you can provide credibility, so that you can provide your target audience for proof that your course does work. And if you don't have testimonials just yet, I would say the best thing to do is do like a beta version. So like have people take your course to test it out and then have testimonials. Truly and honestly, I think that's the best way. Not only will they review it and give you testimonials, but they will also let you know, hey, you might add to this, you might take away this, this doesn't work, maybe try this, or it'll help you update your course to make sure that you're sending it out, launching it with great information, right up front. Okay, the next section is talking about what is included in your course. It's really important that you let them know all that they get with your course. So that means the benefits. This might include like a breakdown of your modules, a breakdown of your lessons. Now, if you've got a ton of modules and lessons, I would do a little, an overview of it. I would, a summary of some of those, or just get to the results of what they would get, the learning objectives, as far as if there's too many. But if you have 5 modules or 13 lessons or something like that, let them know what they're going to be getting. Let them know what they're going to be learning. And if you can't do it that way, let them know by using your learning objectives. What are they going to be? What are they going to know in the end? What are they going to gain in the end from taking your course? You also want to make sure that you tell them about all the bonuses. You want to tell them about any additional resources that you might have that you're going to be offering them, such as a free trial, such as a lifetime access to the course, or a year of one-on-one coaching, whatever it is. Make sure you're letting them know that this is what they're also getting. Don't want to forget those bonuses. Now, as you're going through, through the next section, you still want to highlight the benefits of what your audience or your customers will gain with taking your course. That is really important. Remember to put, whenever you're making a sales page, it's mainly about the benefits that they're going to be getting, not necessarily the material that they're going to be getting. Okay. So, what are they going to gain? What is it that they're going to gain by the end of their, taking your course? Okay. So, in other words, are they going to have are they going to gain new skills, increase confidence, maybe new prospects? Are, depending on your niche, depending on your topic, it could be a multitude of things, but you want to make sure that you're putting on there the benefits and what it is that they are going to gain by the end of the course. And the best advice I can give you on that is you want to go by, your target audience's pain points, what solutions they're looking for, what results they're looking for. Those should be the skills, or the ending result of taking your course should be the solution that they're looking for. So always, as I say in all my videos, research your target audience, research what their pain points are, their needs, their preferences. That way, when you're building your course, you are able to, create this ending. You're able to give them the result that they're actually looking for, they're actually searching for. That's really critical. But I just got, off on a tangent, but just making sure that you put those benefits on there, because you want them to know what they're going to learn. You want them to know what they're going to gain by the end of your course. Okay. And then of course, make sure you put your call to action on there. You just want to make sure that you're, encouraging your audience to take that risk. You're encouraging them to join your team. You're encouraging them to take this course. Then the next thing you want to make sure that you do is, of course, if it's on your sales page, you want to have the price of you want to have the price of your course. But one important thing is give them options. You want to make sure that you give them options. When I go in to buy something, I do look for options, because for me it's easier. There are people that love to pay in full, get it out of the way, but there are people that are, prefer to pay monthly or every 2 weeks. So give them options. That way you have a better opportunity of making a sell. And another important thing to add to that is you want to make everything as easy as possible for your audience. You do not want it to be complicated to go through your sales page. You want it to be smooth. You want it to be easy. You want to make the checkout process easy. Whether you have options or not, whether you have 2 options or 3 options, you want to make the checkout process very easy, because if they're on the verge of, yay or nay, that checkout process, if it's confusing, that could tip them to not buying your course. So let me know if this helps you create your compelling sales page. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out or put in the comments. But if you don't know me, my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose. I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did find value in this video, please hit the like button or subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video.